Welcome to the Surrey Hills and South Downs. Come on a journey with us. Travel by train, leaving the city from Waterloo or the sea from Portsmouth. Within an hour, you can visit rolling hills, small towns and villages. Walk or cycle. Explore nature reserves. Parks and woods. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Sample the local produce from delis and farmers' markets. Visit unique shops and cafes. It's amazing what you can do in a day in this stunning countryside. Or why not make a weekend of it? We look forward to seeing you soon.